Yo, what's up guys? So if you guys are tuning into this video right now, I greatly appreciate you guys. Let's try and get this video up to 40 likes and 10 comments. Before we start off, I would like to say go ahead and shop on bflakessupply.com if you guys are interested in any steals and deals. We have a lot of hype on there, a lot of vintage stuff, and then I also have these Bape toilet paper if anyone is interested on this. So go ahead and check out the web store. I do appreciate you guys for all the love. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Any video ideas, drop a comment down below. I'm going to be posting this video on Thursday, so if you guys want to see a specific video for Sunday, leave a comment down below and I'll film that for you guys. But this one is just going to be another unboxing. I know you guys are probably tired of the unboxings, but your boy has just really purchasing stuff at home, not really going out, so I can't really vlog or anything. But yeah, so let's just hop into this. Honestly, my second Snkrs app dub. I've never really won on the Snkrs app. The only thing I've won before are like mass-produced shoes, and this was the last thing I ever won on the Snkrs app. I had like 4 pairs of these at one time and I got rid of them. Do I regret not doubling up and keeping the second pair? Yes, but I haven't really worn this pair a lot, so I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah, so there you guys go. That is my first Snkrs app win. And this is my second one, and it's honestly nothing even that great. I honestly already sold it on StockX already, just to get my money back. So there's not really much going on during the whole quarantine, but ESPN and Michael Jordan dropped a documentary series called The Last Dance. You guys probably already know about it. And then Nike did a shock drop as far as dropping a random shoe on the first episode of when The Last Dance came out. That is what's in this box. You guys will probably already know if you guys keep up with the times. But something that's weird with this box is that usually Nike will tape their boxes like this, but this one has a gap, and literally you can see, like, you can finger bang, you know, the box that's in here. Probably not the best term because my girlfriend looked at me funny for saying finger bang. All right, so let's just, you know, fist this box open.
What is wrong?
I'm just gonna rip it. Oh fuck, I actually need this box to send back to StockX, so maybe I shouldn't do that. Alright, so we're gonna, I already unboxed it, to be honest. This is going bad. I'm looking at my girlfriend in the mirror. She's just laughing at me. But yeah, so the box is open, guys. Let's show you guys what it is. I haven't had a pair of this specific model in like 5 years, I'm gonna say. The last time I had this shoe was on my Instagram, so I'm gonna look back on when I had it. But if I rip this shit open. Okay, so as you guys can see, Jordan box. This retailed for $200. And there's no, like, is it in here? Hold on. So this shoe retailed for $200. I got a size 9.5. That's what I've been rocking with as far as dunks and retros go. I used to go size 10, but 9.5 has been working with me pretty well. So as you guys can see, Nike Air 9.5, and it is a Air Jordan 5 retro. Retail $200, like I said. So as far as a Jordan 5, I haven't had a pair of Jordan 5s in 5 years. The last pair that I had was the Supreme 5s, and I got that off a random restock. But yeah, so here you guys go. These look worn. I don't know why, but they have like dust on the bottom. I don't know. So I'm not gonna go into full detail as far as, like, you know, the details, the icy bottom, all that good stuff. You guys know me. I'm not the type to really do that as far as give you guys a whole sneaker review, talk about it for 10 minutes. But as far as, is this shoe worth it and if it's a copper drop, for me personally, I'm going to drop these and just resell them, even though you're probably not going to be getting a lot of money as far as, you know, making profit. But just to get my money back, to be able to push a video out for you guys. I don't really win on the Snkrs app, so I just try randomly, and I happen to win these bricks right here. So apparently my girlfriend sneezed. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I'm gonna say bless you. She's always sitting here in the corner while I film. It's kind of, I guess it's not weird, I'm used to it now. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this, if it's worth it or not. These retailed for $200, and they do come out on May 2nd, I believe. But yeah, for me personally, I'm gonna drop it. The only Jordan 5 I'm really interested in is the Off-White 5, and I know whatever hypebeast alert, whatever the case is, but I did own a pair of Jordan 5s before the Off-Whites, so you can't dog me. But yeah, there you guys go. The nice little unboxing for you guys. My first Snkrs app win, I guess you can say, or my first Snkrs app win. Alright, you guys, that wraps it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button for me. Let's get this video up to 40 likes and 10 comments. I say 40 just because I feel like not a lot of people are going to be clicking on this video. There's not really any hype surrounded around it, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyways. Like I said, this is just going to be up on a random Thursday, a bonus video for you guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. All the good stuff will be linked down below, down in the description box. Go ahead and check out the web store if you guys haven't done so yet. I did drop a good amount of stuff on there, so thank you guys for all the support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. If you guys are watching to the end of this video, go ahead and comment fire red down in the comment box down below. I do appreciate you guys for those who comment and stick to the end of this video. Much love. If you guys are interested in anything on the web store, let me know. DM me if you guys want a little discount code if you guys are watching to the end of this video. Appreciate you guys for stopping by and watching to the end of this video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for, sticking around. And yeah, stay safe, stay clean. Yeah. Whatever. Peace.